Hey guys, so I have had this wig for like, if you can see this, you can already know what I'm gonna say, but I have had this wig for like over a year now, and your girl's tired of it. Like, the ends are like, look at this. First of all, when I got this wig, the closure was it doesn't even match the curl, and then the closure is like way shorter than the hair, so it's always been like super choppy. I've never been able to make it flow. So like, look, the closure's right here and the hair is like right down here, so it's always been hella choppy, hella ugly. So as you can see what I'm doing today, we're about to revamp this wig. Okay, if you remember my video when it was like how to revive curly hair, that was like already a year after I had it. So now we're like a year and a half to 2 years. So basically, watch me fuck this wig up. Literally fuck it up, like not even good. I just really hope I don't. So as you can see, I'm gonna start cutting where the closure is. I can't fucking see. How are you gonna see? I'm sorry, I have to stop cursing. But I'm just gonna go. We're just gonna, and the good thing about it is it's curly hair, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. Actually, I'm really just talking. I don't know what. I have no fucking idea. But it is cute. She's a vibe. Oh, this is cute. Versus this, like, I have had this wig forever, and I think this is the perfect way to like make her cute. I'm probably cutting this horribly wrong, but we're no hairstylists. Look at these ends. Do you see them? And this is like super wet. Like, look. I've literally had this hair for ever. But this is cute. So now it's time to do this side. Okay, I really cannot see. I can't see. Okay. Oh, and I tried to pluck my part because when I first had the part was so close, it just like, it looked like a wig. So I was like, how is everybody's wig not looking like wigs? So then I was like, oh, my part's not wide enough. So then I caught myself plucking it, and bitch, that was not a good idea. I made it way too wide. So then I had to go back and like add makeup in it. So like half of my part right now, ignore all that. Half of my part right now is literally like eyeliner. But we're not gonna get into that. Okay, this side is obviously, okay, let me just scoot over. I can't tell if this side is longer or if it's because this side is like drawing up now. So and then my elastic band is on backwards, so we're gonna go in and fix that too. Not backwards, but like, is it straight? I mean, even? I cannot tell. We're just gonna, you know, we're just gonna chop and pray. Chop and pray, chop and pray. What do you say? So I think this is even enough. Yeah, I do. I really kind of want it to be a little longer, but I mean, not longer, shorter. But I think this is good enough. This is a cute, fun flirty length. And since it's curly hair, it doesn't have to be super blunt cut. Well, I mean, it probably should be, but I'm not doing it. But I am going to take it off and put it on my mannequin head and try to straighten it out a little bit more. And, okay. We just went from to I'm ready to party vibes. I don't know. Should I cut it shorter? Let me ask my boyfriend. I'm going to FaceTime my boyfriend, and then I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so he said to cut it a little shorter. So I did already, just to, like, figure out what length I want it. So I don't know if you can really see, but it's a little shorter. But what I'm gonna do is slide this thing off, and I'm gonna put it on my mannequin head. And then we're about to, I really need to wash my hair. I'm gonna put it on the mannequin head, and then I'm gonna get into it. So okay, so I tried to record it on the mannequin head, but sis wouldn't hold her neck up, so I had to do it without her. I mean, do it without recording. She got a little crook in her neck, but I think this is good enough. I mean, wait, let me just make sure one side isn't obviously longer than the other. This side definitely seems longer. I know the cosmetologists are looking at this video like, what the fuck is she doing? With the kitchen scissors and all. I have 2 pair of kitchen scissors, so don't be grossed out. This is our scissors, other pairs of kitchen scissors. But she's here. She's fierce. And she's cute. Okay, a little bit of eco styling. And we're set. Oh, it's leaking on my shirt. The hair color is. Can you see it? It's leaking on my shirt. Okay. Ow. Okay. So I'm about to deep condition her and set her outside to dry. And she'll be dry. I'm trying to see, do I feel like washing it? I just washed it, but she's cute. Okay. She's giving me what I need. Oh, let me take a thumbnail. Look at all the hair that I cut off. And look, it don't even look like a lot of hair, because you know how when you have hair for so long and it be shedding? Like, it literally gets short and short and short. Because this hair used to be like down to my butt. And it's not. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix my band on here because it's like, it's oh, let me show you. It's barely on there. This was a super short, quick, fun, you know, cut with me video. I really thought I was gonna like fuck it up, but I didn't. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys. If you like my nail color, it's color 424 and it's called lemon something. I don't know, but 424 and lemon something, or sunshine, or no, it's lemon zinger. No, I don't know. 424, but that is what's on my hands. Okay, let me move around because I am feeling myself to the max right now. I just need to put my little, you know, swoop down and some eco styler in here to keep the curls. But I'm gonna go wash her, deep condition her, set her outside to dry, and fix this little issue we got going on there. But yes guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.